Hello everybody and welcome back to CapCut tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to use speed curve in CapCut. So we are going to be starting by selecting a video. Once you have selected your video, click on add and it will be added onto your timeline. Now to add speed curves in it, you can just make some cuts inside your video and apply speed curves on it. Click on speed, which could be seen on the very second place, and here we have this option of curve. You will be able to see that we have 3 presets in here and also this option to add a custom curve. We're going to be adding this preset which is called montage, and you can see it is added onto our video. You can also do that for other part of your video as well. Simply make some cuts and head over to your speed and curve. From there you can add a hero or bullet as well. So you can see a speed curve is now added onto your video. So that's a pretty simple process on how to add speed curves in CapCut, and I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.